Okay guys, today I will show you my project number 4 and an air cooler. For this experiment you want a cardboard box, switch, motor, fan, a stand for the motor, wires and USB charger like this, and you connect the wires and switches off like this. You have to hold it for this and take a cardboard sticks like this. Then I will connect these wires to USB. I will connect these wires to USB. These USB I will connect to charger. Okay. Then I will connect to this and this air cooler. See, I will on the switch. See once. I will on the switch on the under. Do you believe this? I will take these papers. See, I am on the switch. It's working. Okay, thank you for watching my video.